and support that is intended from the United Kingdom is help that will go a long way in creating stability for our countries and boosting trade and investments and enhancing our shared prosperity. Allow me, Your Excellency, to make this other remark, that it was agreed that this project, which you are overseeing its launching and initiation today, will proceed subject to the 3 partner states of Kenya, Ethiopia, and Somalia sitting down together with our partner, the United Kingdom, to agree on the action plan and the detailed activities. Again, the reason for that is to ensure we work together. And number 2, to ensure we leave no detail unattended because of the complexities and the sensitivities of security matters in this part of the world. Therefore, in principle, Your Excellency, what we are you are presiding over today is the general project initiative. But I'm very clear in my mind that there is some work to be done, maybe in the next 2 weeks or so, to be able to agree on an action plan that carries everybody along. And finally, before I invite my brothers to say something, and later on the High Commissioner, and then I invite you, Your Excellency, we want to recognize the